See, the District Mineral Foundation, there was a petition which was a PIL. One thing is, as far as operation of the website, that was one issue that was there. The court felt that there has to be more details which have to be put up on the website. In principle, we have not disputed that. We will find out what improvements we can make on the website. The second issue was as regard the procedure to be followed by this DMF, and how, in what manner these applications have to be decided, how much time has to be taken for deciding this application, what type of cases or applications should be considered, and what cases should not be accepted. Those are the issues which the court has told us to file an affidavit and explain as to what is the procedure that is going to be followed. The third thing that the court has said is about setting up of some secretariat, in the sense that appointments of some officers to manage the affairs of this fund. So that is what the government is supposed to consider, and we will consider it. The fourth thing is about some of the approvals which were granted in the meeting, on what basis and what criteria, and in terms of which rules or the eligibility such approvals were granted. They are supposed to be explained by us. We will file an affidavit and explain it to the court. The matter is kept after 5 weeks, because 3 weeks have been granted to us to file an affidavit. Goa Foundation has been permitted to file a rejoinder after 2 weeks.